Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nini. I am back with another video. So today I'm gonna show you how I create this cut crease makeup look with some rhinestones. So as you guys know, if you're new to my channel, hi, welcome to the family. I'm going in with my Morphe pencil in Java and I'm filling in her brows. You guys, I kind of slowed down the video just a little bit. I want you guys to be able to see this in real time instead of it being sped up. So I did slow this video down a little bit, so you guys are gonna see more stuff. Just to let you guys know beforehand, I do not know what happened to the clip when I was doing the cut crease, but I do have tons of other videos of me doing cut creases. You guys can go back and go watch my other videos of me doing cut creases. So yeah, so I am still filling in her brows. You guys, I am back recording my clients. So I record some of my clients, and I'm kind of excited to be recording again and being able to upload. I don't know how it's gonna be next month, y'all, cause I don't know, but I'm gonna do what I gotta do to give you guys these videos. You guys, we're almost at 600 subbies. I am so happy and I can't wait to reach 1,000. You guys are so amazing, and I love you guys' nice comments and stuff. Yeah, so I'm going in with Toffee from Born This Way in the beginning of her brow, and then I went in with Deep Tan and Melani concealers for the end part of her brow to give it a more highlighted I just wanted a highlighted brow bone, in that arch area. I want it to be highlighted. So I went in with Deep Tan, and I'm just doing the same thing on the other brow, you guys. And I am just, shaping up her brows. But you guys, I don't know, how do you guys feel about prom this year? I feel like not a lot of people was doing a lot of bizarre looks to me. I haven't gotten any prom girls. I've been getting a lot of birthday and graduations. So I don't know. We'll see what happens next month. But yeah, so I'm going in and I'm just tapping on that concealer in. And now I'm going in with Toffee at the top of her brows, and I'm just shaping her brows. In the beginning of the video, I did go in and moisturize her skin. You guys can use Pond's. I usually use Pond's to moisturize my client's skin. And in this part, I sped it up a little bit because I was literally doing the same thing on the other side. Just shaping up her brows. Period. And just giving that nice, sleek effect. Period. There you go. Yeah. And I'm sorry you guys aren't able to see this part, but I am applying some brown shadow into her crease, and the shadow that I use is literally from my what is it called? Dang, I forgot what it's called, you guys. It's from my contouring palette, my Black Radiance. Yeah, it's my Black Radiance contouring palette. I just used the medium to dark shade and that the darkest shade, I used that to as my transitioning shade. I just used it to apply it in her crease because I love that brown shade. It's really cute. Here's the clip I was talking about, you guys. So the foundation and me cutting out her cut crease, I don't know what happened, you guys. It disappeared. And as you can see, I did go in as far as like doing her eyeliner, but I had to stop because your girl was falling asleep. So I had to stop so I wouldn't mess up. But I went in with deep tan and I went in with toffee again to highlight. And now I'm using my setting brush and I am just getting out the edges of that concealer. And I'm just blending everything. I'm just tapping, literally tapping everything, you guys. Tap, 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 tap. No swiping, just tapping. And now I'm going down to the bridge of her nose. Yeah, she was sleeping, you guys. So I had to stop. Like, I was like, I can't mess up, nah. So now I'm just blending out that concealer. And then I'm gonna go in with a lighter concealer, and I believe this shade is Warm Tan from Melani. And I just literally put that in close to her tear duct area. And now I'm going in with black opal in ebony, and I'm using that to contour. For all the people who follow me from my shorts, thank you guys. Like, it's so hard trying to get out here in these streets, in these makeup streets, so everybody could, like, you know, see my work. I just want my work to be seen. So I really appreciate the love. Thank you for following me, guys. You guys will not regret it. I will try my best to put out these videos as much as possible. I think something I need to do is, as far as like bringing you guys along when I'm doing makeup, like in between clients, I feel like that would be nice if I can vlog when I do my makeup. But I want you guys to be able to see my my makeup room, but I'm still not done, you guys. Like, I'm still not done decorating. It's done, but it's just like I'm still not done. Like, I literally have to get like a couple of more things, but I'm probably just gonna like just let you guys see it, because I ordered a table so that I'm able to do my makeup, because I know some people have been asking me to go live on TikTok to do my makeup, so you guys can be able to talk to me and stuff like that. So I think that's when I'll be able to like show you guys as far as my beauty room. But it's so cute, you guys. But yeah, so I went in and I contoured. I blend out my contour, and then now I'm going in with some setting powder, and this is Accosmetics, and this is in No Shine. You guys, I love their setting powder. I don't know what it is, girl. Like, I don't know what it is, but it's some crack in here. It's something in here. Like, this setting powder is like amazing. Like, I love it. Like, I literally put down my Laura Mercier and like used her setting powder. But I like both Laura Mercier and hers, but when I do run out of her setting powder, I do go in with Laura Mercier, and that's what's happening to me right now. I ran out of her setting powder, so I am using Laura Mercier currently. I haven't ordered. I keep forgetting to order, but I am going to order her setting powder. So I went in and I went in with some powder contour, and I contoured her nose, and then I'm just going in with some setting powder and I'm just carving that out. And we are setting everywhere we conceal. So now I am going in with some powder contour, and I am setting where I cream contoured with the black opal ebony, and I'm just going in and I'm doing the same thing that I did with the nose, and I'm just carving that out. Now I'm going in with some blush, and the blush is from my crayon case blush binder. You guys need to get into that. I really love that blush binder. It's amazing. And here I am going in with Inglot gel, the black liner, and I'm just putting that on. And now I'm going with some lash glue so that I can apply the rhinestones. I did speed up this part because, I'm just putting rhinestones. Usually you can just like literally do like a whole swipe of the lash glue and then keep putting the rhinestones, but I don't know. I find this to work for me, like just putting a dot and then put the next one, put another dot and then put the next one. So that's what I'm doing. Period. Look at it. Oh my god, just like gleaming. Yes, get a close-up, you guys. Period. Here it is. Bam. Period. So now I'm using my dark brown pencil that I got from Walmart for the low ski, and I'm just lining up her lip. I do tend to overline the top lip a bit, so we can get that nice, lumptious lips. Even though she has like, her lips are good. She has like pretty good lips. But I do overline. Sometimes I don't even try to do it. It just, I don't know, it happens. So yeah, you guys need to get this pencil. It's Wet and Wild pencil, I believe, or something like that. And it's at Walmart, and it literally costs like, it used to be really cheap, but it's still cheap. It's just that they've been raising it because people are buying it. It used to be like, I don't know, 60 or 50 cents or something like that, and now that thing is 79 cents. Like, come on, like, oh. But here I am going in with my favorite lipstick. This is Cairo from NYX liquid lipstick, and I'm just applying that on her lips with a brush and blending everything out. Now I'm going in with some clear gloss that I got from the hair store. I'm applying that, and then I'm gonna go in with NYX Fortune Cookie to just set that gloss in. Oh my gosh, this is like my favorite lip combo. We was having a good conversation, you guys. I could barely get the lip gloss on her lip because we was having a good conversation. But yes, now I'm going in with this foundation brush, and I'm just tapping the setting powder into her skin. Look at her. She looks so good. Like, she looks so good. I'm just tapping. Everything is tap, you guys. No swipe. Just tap. I'm just tapping. I'm just tapping everything in. Oh my gosh, like this eye look is so good. Like I want somebody to book me again for this look. Like I want somebody to book me, like just book me for this look, please. And I'm going in with like it's like a shade in the Beauty by Melissa palette. It's like a orangish brown shade, and I'm just applying that underneath her eyes. And now I'm going in with Morphe setting spray. I sprayed her face, and I also went in with Morphe highlighter too. That's what I'm doing right now. I'm highlighting her face. And I also go in with Revolution setting spray, the Super Hold. I love that setting spray. And here I am just highlighting you guys. This is the end of the video. This is the completed look. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching, and thank you for all the new subbies. I love you guys. Mwah.